Is he gonna spin it?
3, 2, 1, go!
Recording me when I'm bent over like that?
No, I was just recording the car.
Oh.
Got the boys out here.
He was waiting for that moment.
Absolutely. That's what he lives for. Until the 2.7's in there, it's all bags. That's it. All right. The man is finally loud. How do you like the ace pipe?
Loud as hell and not raspy.
Not raspy.
Very nice. About time we could actually f***ing hear his thing.
We already know. Momo. So we came here
To finally test line lock, I've had the car for probably like 2 weeks now. And I've been trying to hold off and test it out. So I've always wanted to do.
burnout on a rear-wheel drive V8 car, and the boys came. So who wants to film from out here?
Oh, he left.
Yeah, he left. We were waiting for that guy to go.
Alright, where are you gonna do it? Like right here?
No, I'm gonna do it right away. I'm gonna walk it out, see if there's anything over there. Yep, seems pretty good.
Some of the local people may know where we are. If you know, you know. It's in Mexico, so. But it looks pretty good. I should have brought the freaking suction mount. All right. Let's see how to do this. This is my first time, so I might f it up. Huh?
Tell me when to start recording.
Yeah, I got you. All right, see.
Win.
Advanced track off. Track apps. Oh. Line lock. I'll hold AK to initialize.
I gotta hold it like fingers. Oh yeah.
Damn! Watch your feet.
Jesus Christ.
It's kind of cool when it engages it literally, like, you push all the way down on the brake, and when it's engaged, it cranks back up and shoves your foot off the thing,
I gotta hold it like fingers.
and then it's just engaged.
You gonna do it again?
I might do it again. Let me see the tires.
Dude, you did it for like 3 seconds.
Well, I know I should have did a roll. I wanted to roll out,
You're
but
good.
the timer was going.
You're good.
They're just sticky.
They're sticky now. Yeah, now we can do a launch. I'm gonna do this instead.
What?
Just launch it that way.
Yeah, no.
No, I'm not gonna launch it.
That way.
No.
So like
Recording?
right into,
Yeah.
into the black one.
Oh.
He doesn't even know. He's too busy looking at his phone.
That'll give us a good reason to do the 2.7 swap. You gonna spin it? All right. Crowd killer, watch out. Watch out, watch out.
Damn, that's actually kind of easy.
All right. Okay.
It kicks out harder than like in a snow and with the Subaru.
Oh yeah, it's got
But-
rear wheel drive guy.
Damn, that's kind of sick. This thing's gonna go flying, but fuck it. All right, let's see what happens with this. You guys good?
Yeah. We need a cloud. Do it a little longer this time.
Well, I wanted to see how much brake actually let it spin or not let it spin or whatever.
Shit, watch. I'm gonna hop with the Mustang and the cops are gonna be like, are you the one in the Mustang doing that?
said that I'm gonna hop in and drive it for you, and then the cops are gonna come be like, get the f out.
With the punch.
Oh yeah.
So shout out to Zach D'Amico for giving me his Borla mufflers. So stock resonator headers, and it sounds really good. Let me put that in there. But I have not heard it from outside the car, and Chase hasn't driven it yet, so.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good. Sounds sweet.
I don't think it really needs an H pipe or anything. No. What?
If I had the valves,
It
definitely.
sounds good, but it needs more loud.
We'll see.
More loud.
More loud. Sounds good. Not bad for just mufflers, yeah.
Want me to do one more or no?
No, you're good.
Dude, in those seats, you don't even feel like you're going fast.
No, that
It's
one
comfy.
no. Hey, you wanna do a hit like he just did?
No, I'll probably shit my pants.
No. It does everything for you. Traction control's on, advanced track's on.
When I get my own.
Do one more.
That's fair. No.
Oh shit! Right to the fucking.
All right.
Seems like rubber.
That's it for the. Yeah, a little bit. That's it for that one. Later, Chase. I'm not one to really beat on the car. I just wanted to test it, and then yeah. So I'm not gonna be like these typical Mustang drivers or all these idiots that can drive everywhere, like going everywhere. So, but yeah, I love this car. Way more to come. Way more to come. Say goodbye, Cesar.
Bye. Oh, never mind.
Do it again.
Too late.
All right. In the garage with my brand new, not Lamborghini. Kyle's here, helping a brother out. And doing the basic mods on a new car, a completely different platform. I'm not sure it isn't that bad. I was a little scared at first, just because I know the Subaru platform. This is not too shabby. We're doing the springs. Sketchy time. We did one. This is the first time I ever used spring compressor, and it's a little nerve-wracking, but then you do it, and then it's just like, all right, fuck it. So yeah, we'll do get to it. Already got one side done with the spacers. So doing a 20 mil in the front and a 25 in the rear. We haven't touched the rear yet, but we'll figure that out when we come to it. Subframe time. Get your ass over here, Kyle. I got stuff in my eye. Subframe bolt. Oh yeah, there she comes. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, it's just like get the spring over there.
Yeah, which is here. Yeah, he had to like pull down on it, and I had to take a pry bar and kind of wedge it out. It was weird, but new one's in. Subframe bolts are about to go in.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can pull these out without jacking it up or not. Oh, hell yeah, brother. Yo, that looks so good. Probably could have went with 20s in the rear, but you know what? A thinner wall tire with a little bit of stretch, or like more square stretch, will be made. But God,
Dude, it's like the slightest amount of poke.
yeah, it's just a little bit. I think it's funny because like on the Subaru it was more of a squared setup.
Yeah.
It's a staggered, which is what I was going for. But dude, it sits so.